Hi, my name's Kariti with the Science Gal, and I am on episode 3, which we'll be looking at chips under the microscope, and we'll also learn how to look at eyepiece too. So if you've seen my past videos, you'll know that we looked at salt and sugar in our past videos, and also that we now know how to record in our notebook. So let's look at potato chips under the microscope. We're just going to look at crumbs. And then we're going to record in our notebook, but before we do that, I'm going to introduce you to Eyepiece 2. So for the supplies, you'll need, of course, a compound microscope. Then you'll need slides. You should only need one, but have extras just in case one breaks. You'll need something to hold your potato chip crumbs in. I recommend a medicine cup or just a small bowl. You'll need Eyepiece 2. I have it in box, but we'll of course take it out of the box, so just make sure you have it. I'll say more about it later. Later on, you'll need a notebook and a pencil or pen, so that we can record. I have a tray to hold everything in, but you don't need one. This is just optional. And then of course you'll need your potato chip crumbs. And for now, just break one piece up and then put it in a container. Then we'll start introducing eyepiece number 2.
Galidimo, 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 the science gal. Galidimo, 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 the science gal. Near.
If you've been in my past episodes, you'll know that we've been looking at eyepiece number 1. Eyepiece 1 is usually longer or bigger than eyepiece number 2. The reason is because eyepiece 1 is usually 10x. That means that you're looking at 10 magnification. This is not as zoomed in as eyepiece number 2. And if you look at the side, you'll see that it says 25x, or it might be another number for you. But I have two eyepieces. Eyepiece 1 is 10x, and eyepiece 2 is 25x. We're going to be using both for this. But we're only introducing eyepiece number 2, which is 25x for me. That means it will be looking at 25 magnification instead of 10x. So eyepiece 2 is bigger magnification, which means you will see closer. Once you have your potato chip crushed and it's in a container, set that away for now. Make sure your slide is out of the box, so that way you can have it ready when you are. Have your second eyepiece in a box safely.